Turn any photo into a ready-to-carve 3D relief for CNC. Topfab AI Relief Generator one-click solution. Upload portrait. 6 styles to choose. AI renders in seconds. Adjustable relief size, with free switching between round and rectangular bases. Click to create. AI converts 2D to 3D relief instantly. No experience needed. Relief models support 360 rotation preview, with vivid 3D details and realistic expressions. Export models directly or generate CNC toolpaths with one click. AI automatically plans CNC toolpaths with no programming required. Thousands of paths are precisely planned to ensure accurate cutting and smooth transitions during engraving, achieving ultimate restoration of complex surfaces and fine details. 3D toolpath visualization simulates the full engraving process in real time, allowing you to preview results beforehand. With guaranteed path precision, it delivers 0 error and 0 rework. Choose ring as the base model. Now leave it to Topfab for precision CNC finishing. From photo to relief, one step to CNC machining. Topfab empowers everyone to create with carving.